All right. Hey, folks, Maverick Indicators here. Let's jump in to this trade. I don't know why I'm singing. I'm only in 5 micros because we already had a banger of a trade today. Did 2,500 bucks already today before market even opened. So why are we in this trade? Well, let's see here. We got hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. I'm on the 1-minute chart. You guys never see me trade on the 1-minute chart, but I've gotten so many emails from you guys saying, hey, can you trade the 1-minute chart? Sure, let's trade the 1-minute chart off the open. You got a brick wall here. Look at this sucker coming down. Beautiful. Hot pink candles. B set up to the downside on the Ultimate Trading Assistant. And it looks like it wants to target this zone right here. Okay. You only have a 50% chance of holding this zone, which anything less than 90 is fair game to break, okay? Anything greater than 90 is like a brick wall. I would not take a trade into anything greater than 90, okay? All right, so we're up about $500 more. We've already done 2,500 bucks today. You can look at our previous trade. We got some down confidence arrows, down confidence arrows, down confidence arrows, down confidence arrows. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. Let me move my stop loss back to break even. We don't want to give back anything that we already made today, right? Can I show you guys my P&L? There we go. All right, so I am just targeting, again, we've already done 2,500 bucks today. I'm just going to be targeting off the open this zone right here. Now, if it moves a crazy momentum, then, you know, we'll see. But you only have a 50% chance of holding this zone. Very weak zone here, very weak zone. All right. So I'm probably going to close this out. Yeah, I'm going to close this out. Okay, so there's another $1,000 on the day. Okay, so we already did, we did about $2,500. $2,500 on trade 1 today. You can go back and watch that. I probably already posted it on YouTube. And then we just did another $1,000, $1,000, a little bit more than 1,000, but that's okay. Figuring commissions and stuff like that on trade 2. So guys, we just had a $2,500 Monday so far. And look, this thing is going to keep, it really seems like, sorry, I can't say with guaranteed, right? But it really seems like it wants to keep pushing down. It wants to keep pushing down. Look at these low scores here. Anything less than 90%, like I said, is fair game for breaking. Okay, but you're going to get some, look, but you're going to get some friction right here. Imagine if you didn't have the Maverick zones and you had no idea there was a zone, a high probability zone right here. You didn't even know. And look how it just bounced. And how many people are getting out on that candle because it bounced right there and they said, oh, this is the end, this is the end, it's coming down, it's going to go like that. But what do you have? You have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. Okay, if you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. We just added another 1,000 to our day, all right? So we're up a little over $3,500 in trades today. And this is what clear vision looks like. This is edge, folks. Seeing hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Seeing bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. A B setup to the downside, because we're on the 1-minute chart, right? We're on the 1-minute chart. All right. Maverick Trender, by the way, has been pegged the whole time. Listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, not financial advice, do your own research. But man, we would love to help you crush it. Come check us out. Go watch our trade from earlier today when we did over 2,500 bucks, and we just added another 1,000. And look, you're hitting a little friction here, but you already knew because your Maverick zones is auto drawing your support and resistance zones. So you know you're going to hit a little friction here before potentially going to the downside. Or if this score raises, you might come back up. But you're definitely, I wouldn't be shocked if it tested the Maverick guide right here and then continued to the downside. Okay? All right, so we would love to help you crush it. Not financial advice. Do your own research. But man, $3,500 to start the Monday. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh, ho, ho. Sell signal. All right, guys. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.